strawberry, shiny and bright. Red like a ladybug, a tiny red sight. Blue like the raindrops, tap, tap, tap. Blue like a blanket for a cozy nap. Yellow like a dandelion, soft in the breeze. Yellow like a chick with fuzzy little knees. Green like the turtle, slow and so kind. Green like the jungle with vines all entwined. Pink like a cupcake with frosting on top. Pink like a seashell found near the dock. Brown like a cookie fresh from the tray. Pale like a puppy that wants to stay.